Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to open federal bank account online. So let's get started. So now here we are in the website of Federal Bank, and you would need to go here first, which is federalbank.co.in. And then once you're here, you'd be seeing this menu right here. You have the personal, NRI or non-resident Indians, and the business right here. So depending on your case, if you're in personal, these are the account choices that you'd have. For the NRI, this is what you have, and for business, this is what you have. So depending on your case. In my case, I'll just go for personal right here. So let's just go with a basic savings account right here. So you want to click on this one once you have chosen your account. So let's just go for this one. And then from here we are on the savings account page. So from here, you would want to scroll down, and then you would now be able to see the kinds of savings account. So Federal Banks has a wide range of savings account with easy offline and online saving account, opening with smart features like internet banking, fund transfers, e-statements, online bill payments to make a banking smoother experience for you. So you can just choose what you'd want right here. So let's just say that we're just gonna go with seller. So click here on explore more. And then from here, you can now click here on open a seller savings account when you would want to proceed into the steps. So you would have an option also to scroll down and learn more about this kind of savings account right here. So yeah, you can just scroll down until you can reach it right here. So make sure to uh, understand this clearly so you can save up to this amount of rupees, the ATM cash withdrawal limit, shopping limit, the debit card insurance fee, and the debit card AMC. So now let's go back up and click on open stellar savings account. And then from here, you can go for the new customer if it is your first time here in Federal Bank, or existing customer if you already have a previous account. In my case, I'll just go with new customer. And now from here, this is what you would get with your seller savings account. The eligibility right here, it is very important that you check that eligibility. So depending on the kind of account that you are getting, you might have more requirements here for eligibility. So make sure that you meet all of the requirements here. And then this is the average monthly balance that you would get. And the key features of the account, you can just view it from here. Once you're all good with this, click on proceed. And from here, the average monthly balance requirement is this amount. Do you wish to proceed? So if you're okay with that, you want to click on yes. And then after that, let's just wait for this one to load. And now here we are. So from here, a full-fledged Federal Bank account is just a video call away. So you just need to keep this ready right here. Your Aadhaar number or virtual ID, your PAN card, your smartphone with headphones right here because you would be speaking, and then a white sheet in a black pen, a well-lit room with a plain wall behind you, and a high-speed internet connectivity, and you should be physically in India. And then next is what do you get? So you would get a fully activated savings account without visiting the branch, and you can start using mobile banking instantly after the account is opened. And then you can also complete the full KYC for your FedBook selfie accounts. So now once you are all good with this one right here, you can now start by providing your mobile number with country code and then enter the captcha right here. And then you can choose if you are not a politically exposed person, and I am an Indian citizen and a tax resident of India and of no other country right here. So if you're an Indian citizen, you want to click here and then click on continue. And after that, you will now be receiving a code that was sent to your mobile number that you have provided right here. You just need to enter that. And then after that, you would need to provide all of your personal information. So it would be this one right here, your Aadhaar number, your PAN card, and some other documents or identification that will be needed by the Federal Bank. So yeah, you would need to provide all of them. So don't worry, it will be very easy because it is just personal information. So you all have the information that was needed right there. So just prepare your documents for identification. And then after you have provided that, then that will be the time that you will be hopping on a call with an agent here on Federal Bank. So that is why you would need to get a high internet speed connectivity, and you should be physically in India because they will check, and a well lit room with a plain wall behind you, also a white sheet and a black pen. And don't forget your headphones right here together with your smartphones for your video call. And then after that, you will now be able to complete the process of opening an account here in Federal Bank. And yeah, that is basically it on how you can open an account here in Federal Bank. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.